Welcome to the channel. Today we will be unboxing the Viking 4 amp battery charger maintainer. This charger is compatible with 6 volt, 12 volt, AMG, gel, deep cycle, and standard batteries. Let's open up the box. Let's see what's inside. Owner's manual, alligator clips, eyelet attachment, and your charger. Case is made out of plastic and is very light. Charger is 6 inches in length. The height is 2 1/4 inches. The width is 3 1/4 inches. The battery type is displayed on the top. To change it, you just select the mode button. You could change it from 12 volt standard, 12 volt AGM, 12 volt standard winter, 12 volt AGM winter, 6 volt standard, 6 volt standard winter. When you plug it in, the voltage level will be shown. If it's below 10.5 volts, the charger will attempt to restore the battery for 1 hour to bring it up to 10.5 volts. During this time, the battery charge level will show empty. After 1 hour of restoring the battery, if it does not come up to 10.5 volts, the bad battery icon is shown at the bottom. The battery is above 10.5 volts. The charger will charge until the battery is fully charged. The level indicator will show the progress. Once fully charged, the backlight will turn off and it will go into a maintenance phase. The battery level will show that it is fully charged. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.